Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
The Dyson 360i robot is powered by the high-speed Dyson digital motor. It's small and light, yet delivers higher suction than any other robot vacuum. A unique 360-degree vision system sees all the way around itself at once, selecting reference points to track and triangulate its position so it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean, systematically cleaning your home in 3-meter grids. Patented radial root cyclone technology generates powerful centrifugal forces to fling dust out of the air and into the bin. The robot's cleaner head spans the full width of the machine. Carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Continuous tank tracks climb over obstacles and maintain speed and direction, ensuring it stays on course. And the Dyson Link app allows you to start, pause, and schedule your cleans, as well as monitor and update the Dyson 360i robot vacuum. The Dyson 360i robot, the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum.
When a big blower is simply too much for the job, the light choice is the right choice with Sunjoe's 6-amp all-purpose electric blower. Weighing less than 4 pounds, this diminutive dynamo packs a 155-mile-per-hour punch, and its powerful 6-amp electric motor makes light work of loads of leaves and piles of dirt and debris to leave your yard spotless. Sunjoe's just the right size for light-duty household applications like sweeping the porch, patio, walkways, and garage. Easy one-handed operation makes your chores a breeze, and SPJ597E includes Sunjoe's standard 2-year warranty for worry-free operation and reliable performance season after season. So downsize your bulky blower, make light work of yard waste, and go with Joe. The SPJ597E all-purpose electric blower from Sun Joe. Get equipped.